Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious green jelly. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and equipment ready. We'll start by boiling water to properly dissolve the jelly powder. Then, we'll add cold water to cool the mixture down. Finally, the jelly will need to chill in the refrigerator until it's perfectly set and ready to enjoy. To begin, you'll need one standard package of your favorite green jelly powder. Make sure to accurately measure 2 cups of boiling water, as this is crucial for proper dissolution. Also, have 2 cups of very cold water or even ice water on hand. Lastly, grab a sturdy, heat-proof bowl and a whisk for mixing everything together smoothly. Now, let's get mixing. Pour the entire package of green jelly powder into your large, heat-proof bowl. Carefully and slowly add the 2 cups of boiling water to the powder. Whisk the mixture continuously and vigorously for at least 2 minutes. It's important to keep whisking until all the powder is completely dissolved and no granules are visible at the bottom of the bowl. Once the powder is fully dissolved, stir in the 2 cups of cold water. This helps cool the mixture down quickly. Next, carefully pour the liquid jelly into your chosen serving dishes, whether they are individual cups or a large mold. Place them in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm. Serve chilled and enjoy your perfectly set green jelly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.